Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make BBQ sauce spicy. We'll start by exploring various heat levels, from a mild kick to an intense burn. Then, we'll dive into selecting the perfect spicy ingredients that complement your sauce's base flavors. Finally, I'll guide you on how to achieve a harmonious balance, ensuring your spicy BBQ sauce is both flavorful and fiery without overwhelming your palate. Let's get cooking. When selecting your heat source, fresh chili peppers like jalapenos or habaneros offer a bright, natural spice. For a more consistent and deeper heat, consider dried chili powders such as cayenne or chipotle. If you're short on time, a dash of your favorite hot sauce can instantly elevate the spice level. Each option brings unique flavor profiles, so experiment to find your perfect match. Quick recommendation: if you're finding these tips helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe for more great content. And while you're perfecting your spicy BBQ sauce, remember to stay hydrated. The Owala water bottle is fantastic for keeping your drinks cold, especially when you're working up a sweat in the kitchen. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now, let's get back to the video. To effectively infuse heat, sautéing fresh peppers like serranos or ghost peppers before adding them to your sauce helps release their oils and flavor. For dried spices, blooming them in a little oil before mixing them in can intensify their aroma and heat. If using hot sauce, stir it in towards the end of the cooking process to preserve its vibrant flavor and ensure the desired level of spiciness. Achieving flavor harmony is crucial for a great spicy BBQ sauce. Sweetness from ingredients like brown sugar or molasses can balance the heat. Acidity, perhaps from apple cider vinegar or a squeeze of lime juice, brightens the sauce and cuts through richness. Don't forget smoky elements like smoked paprika or liquid smoke to add depth and complexity, creating a truly well-rounded sauce.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.